Hey guys, hope you can hear me up here in Hagerstown, Maryland. Another situation where this lady's car, very nice lady's car, been to all these different shops, and she just spent $1,000 somewhere, and they put a new alternator on and did a bunch of stuff, whatever they did. When the car ran great, she got home, come out the next day, and wouldn't start. And then a bunch of people been looking at it, nobody could figure it out. So anyway, I came, they said the battery was dead. So I come and I put the meter on it, and the battery had like 12.8 volts, so it wasn't dead at all. And then I went to try to start it, and it just made one click, and that was it. So I knew right away that meant there were some dirty terminals or something. So we had a let's see, you can see that cable down there, how it's a little bit rigged up. So yeah, I cleaned that up, and the ground was totally corroded on the inside, right up against the battery. So took care of that, and cleaned off the wires and starter and the ground going to the motor, and then yeah, fired right up, runs like a kitten. So just goes to show, you know, it's just the basics, the simple stuff everybody overlooks. So yeah, she just wasted a whole lot of money. She didn't need an alternator, didn't need a battery. She just needed her damn contacts cleaned. All right, guys. Dragon says thanks for watching, and peace out.